Welcome to Gyproc Zimbabwe. Gyproc Zimbabwe, formerly BPB, British Plaster Board Gypsum, is the leader in the supply of lightweight building plasters. This video serves to give a demonstration on the use of our product range, all of which are for interior use only. Note, all demonstrations have been carried out in our demo areas. The company supplies rhino plasters, namely Rhinoset, Rhino Bond, Rhino Cove Bond, Rhino Mold, Rhino Superfine White, Rhino Boards, Rhino Cove Cornice, Gyproc Dawn Sealing and Partitioning Systems, Weber Tylon Adhesives and Grouts, and Isova Insulation are part of Gyproc's vast range of products. Gyproc has retained its competitive edge through constant research and development. Safety information. Necessary precautions should be taken when handling and applying rhino plasters. The plasters can cause irritation to the eyes after contact. Ensure that there is adequate ventilation when working with plasters. Wear goggles where powder or splashes are likely to occur. Should there be eye contact with plasters, wash eyes thoroughly with clean water, and if irritation persists, seek medical assistance. To avoid irritation of sensitive skin, wear rubber gloves and overalls to avoid prolonged repeated contact. If an irritation occurs, wash the affected area with water and seek medical advice if irritation persists. Inhalation of plaster dust may cause irritation on the throat. Dust levels must be controlled through adequate ventilation. Dust masks must be worn where dust levels cannot be controlled. Move to a place with fresh air if irritation occurs and obtain medical assistance if symptoms persist. These are our products. Rhinoset. Rhinoset Wall Finishing Plaster is one of the plasters under the Gyproc range. It is made under scientifically controlled conditions from high-grade gypsum for use as a finishing coat over all kinds of undercoats. The cement base coat must be allowed to dry out thoroughly to prevent shrinkage cracks from forming and being transmitted to the Rhinoset finish. Before applying Rhinoset onto surfaces, dust particles must be removed and the undercoat must be moist. Mixing. For proper mixing of Rhinoset wall finishing plaster, add it to cold clean water in a clean container, allowing it to soak for 5 minutes. Slowly mix to a smooth, thin consistency without lumps. The mixing ratio of plaster to water should be ideally 25 kilograms of plaster to 16.2 liters of water if you are using a full bag of Rhinoset. The best way to apply Rhinoset is to apply a thin coat onto the base coat and then apply a second layer doubled back with a trowel and leveled out to an even surface. As the plaster takes up its final set, the surface should be tempered with sufficient water on a brush. Then trowel to a smooth finish free from blemishes. Finishing the walls from top to bottom in one operation ensures a complete absence of joints. The wall finishing is easy to apply and quick to dry, setting in approximately 20 minutes and attaining full strength a few hours after application. On the sealing design, Rhinoset can be used to make a textured finish using a foam rubber and a steel float. Coverage. A 25 kilogram bag of Rhinoset covers 15 square meters on the wall with a thickness of 2 millimeters. Always use clean water and clean containers when mixing. Rhino plasters and more. Refreshed look. Same Gyproc quality since 1959. Gyproc Zimbabwe.